Guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. In today's video we'll be working on a Chevy Cruze, guys, and we're going to show you where your fuel pressure sensor is located, and we'll explain, guys, what needs to be done if you need to replace it, or let's say you want to find it so you can replace it, guys. This video will be super helpful. Quick introduction, guys. Every car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 videos, including, guys, this Chevy Cruze. Why? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully, guys, you will find the information helpful. Now, if you want to save more money, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can purchase, guys, parts for your car or tools for a really good price and fast shipping as well. We have a 1.8 Chevy Cruze, but even if you have the 1.6, 1.4, I think the location of the fuel pressure sensor will be exactly the same, guys. So make sure you stay with us. Now, I opened the hood, guys. Again, doesn't matter which engine you have. I'm going to follow the fuel line. Check it out now. We have a fuel line here. Okay, this is the fuel rail with the fuel injectors. Goes towards the back. Okay, and then it goes down, guys. And I don't see any. Okay, I don't see any fuel pressure sensors here on the firewall. Okay, towards the back, that's where that gray thing, that's the fuel line. Nothing, guys. We assumed in the past that it was in the fuel tank until we, guys, we took one apart to put a fuel pump, and I want to show you guys where that sensor is located. So if you need to, guys, replace yours, okay, you can, you will know where it is and what you need to do. So I'm under the car now on the back. Okay, this is where your spare tire is, exhaust. Then you have, you can see the rear suspension. So you need to go right in front of the rear tire, guys. Okay, right here, right in front of the rear tire. Let me go down quick. Okay, turn the light here so you can see. And if you guys look, okay, that box right here. Okay, this is the fuel line that goes towards the front. Remember, the same fuel line. And now, guys, right there, if you pay attention, okay, this sensor right there, guys, this is your fuel pressure sensor. Okay, and I'll get a little bit even closer to it. You can see right there on the fuel line. This is, guys, your fuel pressure sensor. This is what reads how much pressure you have in the fuel line. Okay, that little device right there. So in order to remove it, guys, you need to make sure you don't have any pressure in the fuel system. The car is not hot. You don't have open flame. Always wear eye protection because it can spray fuel. You have a fire extinguisher because you may catch on fire, guys, of your car and you can die. So you have to be extremely careful. And once you have everything necessary, you have to, guys, disconnect the cable, disconnect your car battery. Before that, disconnect the car battery, then disconnect the wire for the fuel pressure sensor, and you can just take it off, guys. It's on the fuel line, so you can see where it is. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, guys, to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.